I just visited the Huawei store to check out the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and I wanted to share my experience with this phone. The design is a bit different. Of course, they have upgraded the camera module, which is the highlight of this phone. It comes in two colors, black and this golden one. The design looks really nice and I did notice an issue with the brightness. Right now I am indoors at the store and when I lower the brightness to 0%, I can barely see the screen. So you will definitely need to turn the brightness up when you are outside. It offers 3000 nits of peak brightness. And as for the display, the 80 series all have the same 6.8 inches LTPO OLED screen and with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1.5K resolution and 1440 Hz PMW dimming for eye comfort. And as you can see, the screen is neither curved nor completely flat. It's somewhere in between. Under the hood, it runs on Huawei's in-house Kirin 9020 chip, built on a 5nm process. It's paired with 16GB of RAM up to 1TB of storage. And it's running the latest HarmonyOS Next 5.1, which is no longer based on Android but optimized for Huawei's ecosystem. You also get support for over 30 global languages, so it is friendly for international users. And on the other hand, of course, it does not has the Google Play. It has its own ecosystem, so you can download the applications from its own store, but I have seen Facebook, YouTube, these applications are not available, so you have to figure it out how you can install. It equipped with 5700 mAh battery which charges at 100 watt wired, 80 watt wireless and even supports 18 watt reverse wireless charging. And connectivity wise, it's packed Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB 3.1, NFC, GPS, and of course because of Huawei, it has Bay to satellite messaging plus satellite calling. I think this function can be used in China. Now here's the cool part. Instead of two separate telephoto systems, Huawei put two lenses sharing one sensor, with a movable prism that switches between them. That gives you 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom. And you also get up to 100x digital zoom. Plus it shoots 4K video on front and back and also support 960 FPS slow motion if you love making videos on slow motion. And on the front there is 13 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera. On the back you are getting a crazy 5 camera system, a 50 megapixel main camera built on a 1-inch sensor with ultra high dynamic range and a variable aperture. The second camera is a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with a large sensor, offering incredible zoom clarity. The third camera is 12.5 megapixel ultra telephoto camera, also with a large sensor, perfect for far distance shots. The fourth camera is a 40 megapixel ultra wide camera for capturing wide scenic moments. As you can see in this video, when I zoom at 10x, the AI making the picture quality better. And final, a 1.5 megapixel multispectral color sensor, also called the red maple camera, which helps with color production and accuracy.
It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.
Well, in China, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra starts at around 9,999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 1340 USD. Not cheap at all, I know. Alright guys, I hope you like this easy review of this phone, and hopefully you would like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.